ngã rồi Hong Kong là ta lên tay chỉ là ngã cho khang sinh bùi suy Hong Kong we are with you 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 nghe người nè thấy ngã cho Hong Kong nào là đồ xin về cái bên này chỉ là khang người này cái sung nghe US chỉ nghe khang suy khang người này để Yigistan also ngã lo chuochi she wrote, thank you so much for your support. We all stand together and fight for universal suffrage and democracy. Recently, I read more about history of Tibet, and which has a great meaning to Hong Kong's situation. Many people started to realize we would face the same condition like Tibetans.
And China is taking away natural resources from China's occupied countries like East Turkestan, Mongolia, Tibet, and by subjugating, threatening freedom and democracy. Yesterday and today, more than 1.5 million people in Hong Kong have come out.
Ngaju de zom goe di tanda logul ya gabkyo yus changden ya gabkyo yus ani mixe ki tanda Hong Kong nang lo ya yang da yang sing be ani ne dang dil ya ngaju dongsin nyam ge yus dukche chawin.
We want free Tibet and the free Hong Kong. We are from Poland because we have a big problem in communism since 50 years. We know what's a war or freedom.
Ekudinalo gusumgi di lekudinalo nyamshu chego gi gumse di thanda ngarazo phö di ta gamigi wala thigams phömi di thigams nyang de ta thanda ta Hong Kong do chashana ani thanda Hong Kong gi mimang changma lo thanda duzub gi wala show nyang de ta video show ta new mango chingsora ani odi gi dusen nyamge gi chedo ani thanda di nyamshu chiya